What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's been a little bit, had a couple things going on, so I appreciate you tuning in. I just want to talk about a few things. There's so much news out here right now, man. It's crazy, absolutely insane. And the price of Bitcoin is it's like a ping pong ball. It just keeps bouncing up, down, up, down. If any of you are like me, man, when they hit 14 grand. Maybe we should have taken some of that profit out, but I'm sure, well, maybe you're all not like me. You kind of held in there. Should have done that, man, because you knew it was going to pull back. But nonetheless, if you're in the game, then that's all that matters. But if you're not in the game, for all you out there watching this video, tuning in to get that crypto, man, you got to get in the game, bro. I'm not a financial advisor. I say it all the time. But, you know, you see, you got two eyes, you got two optical receptors. Use them. You got two ears. That means you're supposed to listen twice as much as you talk, right? Listen to everything that's going on out there. Watch some videos. Watch some guys that are very intelligent in this industry. And I'm not talking about some YouTubers like me. You know, I'm not even the best out there. I think I speak about what I like. And if you're tuning in, then you must agree with something I'm saying, or you might hate me. I don't know, whatever. But there's a lot of guys out there that are talking about Bitcoin. They're talking about cryptocurrency in general. But you got to get in the Bitcoin game too. I mean, that's like the grandfather of all of them. It's the father. You know, it's the alpha and omega in cryptocurrency. So obviously, you know, the Bitcoin price rumors. We're going to get to this in a minute. That's not exactly what I want to talk about right now. Matter of fact, we're going to get back to the Bitcoin thing. I just went off on a tangent because it is just incredible what's happening right now in the world, in cryptocurrency, the governments of the world. But I wanted to say this because I think this is funny. What's up, son? What's up, son? What's up with Justin Sun? What are you doing, bro? Listen, I'm a fan of Tron. At least I thought. Well, I'm a fan of BitTorrent. You know, come on. You like BitTorrent. You use BitTorrent out there. Don't even trip. All right. I'm not saying I used it. I'm just saying I know people that have used it. Put it that way. It's a good program. It's always been a great program. He bought it with some ideas to turn it into some social platform, which I think, still has some some legs under it. But he's getting in. Listen, I don't know if he did anything or not, but he's getting into trouble. All right. Justin Sun, Tron CEO Justin Sun Services, denies completely untrue rumors. Well, the rumors he's denying is, first of all, he spent like $4 million, like $4.6 million just to have lunch with Warren Buffett to hopefully change his opinion on cryptocurrency. First of all, Warren Buffett's like, 250 years old, super rich, made his money off traditional stocks and traditional companies, legacy companies and stuff like that. Now, he'll go out and Warren Buffett himself will tell you he missed out on a few things. Like he missed out on Google, missed out on I don't think he missed out on Facebook, but he missed out on Amazon, like early stages. Obviously, he's got enough money to catch up, but he was wrong about those when they first came out. Didn't think they would do much. And I think he's wrong, like all of us do, about cryptocurrency. But Justin Sun paid $4.6 million to have lunch with this cat, right? Well, he's got to postpone it because he claims he has kidney stones, right? Well, according to everything we've been reading, and again, this is just me reading and just going over what's been said about Justin Sun. He supposedly was in China and he's on a no-fly list. Basically, it's like the version of the no-fly list. It's Let's see here. Justin Sun reportedly name appears on the government's exit ban list in China, the equivalent of the USA's no-fly list. So why would they do that to you, Justin? Why would that even be something that's put out there in the universe? Why? Because from what I've been reading, he's been named, not accused, allegedly named in some kind of money laundering. Don't know how true any of that is, and I don't know the specifics on it. Now, this is just what I heard. If this is wrong, please hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what you've heard. But that's what I heard. All right. And that's what I've been reading. But he claims he's recovering from a kidney stone. And there's some videos not even videos, kind of like a caption or like a Snapchat or so of him in a hospital room with a Golden Gate Bridge behind him, kind of to say, hey, look, man, I'm not even in China. I'm in San Francisco, recovering in a hospital bed from a kidney stone. But hey, whatever. I just know this. I hope that this news that's being put out there is not being put out there just so somebody can have something bad to say about cryptocurrency, because it seems like right now that's all anybody's trying to do. They're really trying to, kick it and kidney punch it and just downplay it as something bad. God knows, even our own government is trying to say it's bad news. I don't understand that. I mean, how could you look at cryptocurrency as something that's bad when all it was made to do was give people independence of their own finances, right? Less government control, actually no government control. That's what it was designed for. That's what Bitcoin was designed for, right? There's other cryptocurrencies out there that are good. Is Tron one of them? It's yet to be seen, remains to be seen. But the granddaddy of them all, you guys know what's going down, right? We're going to move on to the next subject because there's really only two things I want to hit. This one is near and dear to my heart. I am not a Bitcoin maximalist. I'm not. I like a lot of cryptos out there, right? Me personally. But Bitcoin is a large majority of my portfolio. Love it. How do you not love it? Man, oh my God. I hate kicking myself like this, but back in 2010 when it was like 6 cents, $600, man, it got you about 10,000 Bitcoin. Imagine where you'd be sitting right now, player. Yeah, you wouldn't be listening to me because you'd be on a yacht somewhere. You couldn't get good reception. You know what I'm saying? So that's the funny thing about it. But that's hindsight. But you're still not too late. We're like in the dial-up phase of cryptocurrency. You still got time to put your mark in there and to do something financially that could change your life and your family's life. Now, yeah, they say, oh, Bitcoin's too volatile. Cryptocurrency is volatile. Yeah, that's where you make money, numbskull. You don't make money in anything safe. If there's no risk in it, there's no money. Simple as that. All right. You can keep your money in your checking and savings. How much are you going to make on that? Nothing. You got to risk a little bit. But what we're looking at right here, folks, this is the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. Do you know what that means? I made a video a little bit ago about the Bitcoin halving coming. It's coming next year. It's coming, if I'm not mistaken, it's July, I think, of 2020. No, May of 2020. Yep, May of 2020. Reward drop ETA date, May 19th, 2020. So we got 297 days, 16 hours, 44 minutes, and so seconds. And the countdown is on and popping. All right. So for you, all of you who don't understand what the Bitcoin halving is, all right, currently, if you mine and you're rewarded the block like a Bitcoin mining block, you solve the equation, right? Currently, the reward is 12.5 Bitcoin. All right. In May of 2020, that reward is getting cut literally in half to 6.25 coins, right? It gets cut in half every 210,000 blocks, right? What does that mean? That means that if the value right now, as it stands today, and I don't know how accurate, like to the minute this is, but it's pretty accurate. Bitcoin's value right now is 9,770 per coin. Once this gets cut in half by next year, what do you think this is going to turn into? Because that's called fear loss. Use that every day in my day job. Fear loss is a true thing. People use it on you. Use it on me. They use it on you. You go somewhere, you really want something, but you procrastinate. I'm going to think about it. Well, I only got 2 of these left. And in your mind, you start panicking. Oh man, it's too late. I really like it, man. What am I doing? Why do I say I want to think about it? I don't really want to think about it. I'm a knucklehead. See, that's the stupidity of people. All right. If you know that this is something, all right, there's people that call this smuck insurance, right? In case your current investments don't pan out, all you need to do is put 1% of your money, 1% of whatever you're investing into cryptocurrency, into Bitcoin. Because on the off chance that this skyrockets and does something that we've never seen before, you're in the game. All right. And it may do something far better than your current investments. But if you're not in the game, you will never see that reward. All right. So you got to do that. You got to put yourself in the game. All right. Don't be afraid. But I'm not, listen, again, I ain't a financial advisor. I'm not a financial investor. I'm none of the above. I'm just telling you what I've read and researched. And I'm in the game. So do your own research. But check this out. Total Bitcoins in circulation, 17,839,000. Circulation means the actively traded, actively being moved. Total Bitcoin to ever in life, according to what they're saying, be produced is 21 million. We ain't that far removed. All right. Percentage of total Bitcoin mined is 84.95%. And by the way, for you guys who want to know what website I'm looking at, I was going to say I would leave it in the description. I may, but I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's called bitcoinblockhalf.com. Save it to your desktop, man. This is pretty cool stuff, right? This is going down. This is going to happen whether you own Bitcoin or not. But I'm telling you, better get it now. It's not too late. Yeah, it costs a good bit of money, but you're going to look back in 5 years at this price and say, man, I wish I'd have got it that price. That was a steal. You got to get in the game, and you could buy it in Satoshis, meaning you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You need to buy 0.001, 0.002, 0.5, buy something, get in the game, man, and just stack it away and just sit on it. Right. All right. Let's get back to this. All right. Total Bitcoin left to mine until next block half. All right. We only got 535,000 Bitcoin left to mine. That's a lot of Bitcoin considering the price of it. Right. But that ain't much. And then when next year's halving happens, oh my goodness. What do you think? What do you think Bitcoin's price is going to be? All right. Because think about it. There's only 1,800 Bitcoin produced a day. That seems like very little. But when you consider the price of a Bitcoin, that's a good bit of money. Bitcoin inflation rate per annum, 3.75. Bitcoin inflation per annum at the next block halving event, 1.80. Bitcoin inflation per day, 17,586 thousand. Lordy. All right. Listen, folks, I'm not telling you that you should get Bitcoin. What I am telling you is these folks say you should get Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin price prediction update 2019. Check it out. I'm going to absolutely butcher this guy's name. Chamath Palihapitiya. All right. He thinks Bitcoin's price is going to be $1 million per coin by 2030. Now, Chamath Palihapitiya, sorry, bro. I really love you. I follow you. So I just cannot pronounce your name. And I never remember how to pronounce it. All right. He's the founder of Social Capital and the co-owner of the Golden State Warriors. I mean, he's a hedge fund guy. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, he was on the board or he helped to create Facebook or something like that. That's where he got his money. But anyway, his Bitcoin journey started as an investment with an investment back in 2012. Right. And by 2013, he had included Bitcoin in his hedge fund, general fund, private account. At one point, he owned 5% of all Bitcoin in circulation. Think this guy believes in Bitcoin? He never had to invest in Bitcoin to be a billionaire. But if a billionaire who's already got money and doesn't need any more thinks that this is the hot ticket in town, I'm going to listen. All right. Palihapitiya has predicted Bitcoin price will reach about $1 million in the next 3 to 4 years, will reach $100,000 in the next 3 to 4 years, adding that it will reach a price of 1 million by 2037. He said the thing that has the potential to be comparable to the value of gold. This is the fantastic hedge and a store of value against autocratic regimens and banking infrastructures that we know is corrosive to how the world needs to work properly. Guy's a brilliant guy. I'm going to listen to this cat. Winchus Cesaris says $1 million by 2027. Winchus Cesaris is the founder and CEO of Zappo, a Bitcoin wallet startup, and a board member of PayPal, among various other roles. Cesaris first found interest in Bitcoin due to high financial volatility in his home country, Argentina's native currency, the pesos. The tech giant bought his first Bitcoin in 2011. God, if I could man, I wish somebody would invent a time machine. Man. And I'm not talking about the time machine that, what's the comedian? Anyway, That's a bad joke because I can't even remember his name. Here's the deal. All I'm telling you is get in the game. If you're not in the game, you're not in a position to win. So do yourself a favor. Do you some research. Don't listen to me. Do your own research. Use your eyes, use your ears. Everybody out there is not into cryptocurrency. Everybody I used to talk to about cryptocurrency thought I was crazy, but a couple people I gave some advice to thanked me heavily for a couple of things that I gave them advice on. So, listen, I want us all to prosper. I want us all to do well. And that's really why I made the channel, just to talk about things that I have some passion on. And, I'm sorry I hadn't made a video in a bit, probably a couple months, to be honest with you, just busy doing other things. So I'm going to see you guys again. I will make more videos. I will do some things that you asked me to. So just leave comments in the comment section, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I will come back with better content, better videos, do my best to make you guys happy and keep coming back and referring people to me. All right. I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.